Today we're taking a look at one of the most unique and expensive phones in the world, the Vertu Metavertu. This isn't just a phone. It's more like a status symbol. First, the build. The Metavertu comes in premium materials, carbon fiber, or even real exotic leather, and crocodile skin in high-end variants, with stainless steel frames and sapphire glass. That luxurious design is one reason the price starts at about $5,100 for the basic carbon fiber edition. It can go much higher for leather, metal, diamond customized editions. On the performance side, this phone runs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 12 GB RAM and storage options of up to 1 TB. So performance is flagship class. The display of this masterpiece is a 1.5K OLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, giving smooth scrolling and sharp. On the camera side, you get a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens. Metavertu packs a 5,100 mAh battery and supports 65W fast charging, which means you're covered for heavy use and quick top-ups. Beyond looks, Vertu markets this as a luxury AI phone with advanced encryption, blockchain-based security, built-in secure wallet support, and extra privacy features aimed at high-net-worth individuals or crypto users.